Hey guys, what's up? Sorry if this is really close up, but I'm just gonna film this. This autofocus on my camera is not really working out for me right now. I don't like it, but I'm gonna be shooting my shotgun. I just need to get rid of the BBs out of the shells, and I said I might as well just film it. So I'm just gonna be shooting off 8 shells with .2 gram BBs. So I'm just gonna, yeah. So you know what? Switch to, so let's see where I can get that in there. There we go. So oh wow, my shoulder's all up in that. If you'll notice, I mean, if you can tell in the video, the BBs will not actually feed loading wise very well, so huh. This does not really. So, since I'm just shooting and you guys are just looking at my backyard, might as well talk about some stuff in the life of me. And there. Dust coming off, so I am this thing is really hard to pump back for me. So these things misfeed. I don't know why. Probably because I'm not pushing it back all the way.
What are you doing, Charles?
Emptying out my shells
What shells?
on my airsoft gun with my biodegradable BBs. Because you're not supposed to keep BBs in the shells for too long because the springs will get all they'll wear out. They won't want to. They want to stay recoiled. They won't want to stretch out again. So, and then I just got to finish vacuuming and stuff, and I'll be done for the day. So like I said, this thing misfeeds a little bit. I mean, it's a spring shotgun. Definitely doesn't. There's still BBs in here. There we go. I mean, for the money, what you're paying for isn't bad. I mean, it's a spring shotgun. As you can see, nothing is gonna always work right. So, what I really want to talk about is I'm going to be playing here in the next few weeks, actually getting some more film and footage. And surprisingly enough, I'm going to be actually getting my girlfriend to come and play with me. Get some film footage of that. That'll be interesting. Getting a new gun. Getting some new stuff to play with, mess around with. With this video, guys, don't be discouraged to not buy one of these. It's a Springer. I mean, no way, that could have been all of them. Yeah, well, that was. These things are really hard to load, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes they shoot 3, sometimes 2, sometimes 1. But, I mean, my yard's about 40, 50 feet, and these things don't really... are shooting pretty straight. I'm using .25s. Ugh. This thing is really hard to pump. I can't do it with that hand. I'm not gonna lie, it's taking quite a bit out of me. Seeing as I am not that strong, that one's out. So, 2 more to go. Sorry if this video is boring for you guys. I just figured I'd film it. I wanted to film something I haven't filmed in a while. For all my small amount of subscribers, or people watch my videos, God, this thing is a pain to cock back and forth. Can't tell if anything's stuck in there. Can't tell if it's all out either. Might have broken this thing. No, just the thing's being stupid on it. Last shotgun, well, I mean last shell. Pretty much just in the new, I don't even know if I've been shooting in the camera, I mean, probably not. Just you guys hearing the sound of BBs being hit. I mean, yeah, but whatever. You guys might think this is a stupid film or stupid video. I needed to do this just to get the BBs out of the shells. Wish I knew why these had beading issues. And that one's doing the same thing as the other one. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to film about me. Whoop, almost got the camera. So yeah, oh, got a new haircut. I like it. Think it looks pretty cool. Other news, I've been talking with Delta One from God's Airsofters and God Airsofters and Airsoft Talk. Cool guy. You guys should watch his videos. I'm gonna put a link somewhere in this general vicinity. Go check out his pages. The guy's really cool. Nice guy to talk to. Knows his stuff. So this is me, Red Claw Wolf, here with Charm Airsoft, and I'm signing out.